Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Izharuddin bin AHMAD and my partner in this assignment is ZAKI ARIFF bin ZAINUDin. My subject in this assignment is Engineering Society and I will present about 17 sustainability development goals, which is
Life of land, it is environment around us. We live off of it and its natural habitats play an important role in our daily life. We depend on terrestrial ecosystem and forest as an essential source of material such as producing oxygen, recycling water, providing food, which means everything living thing matter. Forests decrease stormwater runoff. This helps to prevent flooding. 19% of all land and animal rely on forests for food and shelter, but forest area are decreasing. All consumption of forest has risen 64% since 1961. Around 40% of the woods are purposely for the paper, magazine, and so on.
This is what happened in Bukit Beruang at Melaka. There is a rising social need for building and housing the consumption of human. Infrastructure has also been during deforestation earlier. There used to be free here or we will wake up to the sound of bird.
This process is called where many trees and plants are cut up. Yes, we call it as deforestation to clearing up for human benefit. It's called deforestation, like we can see at the back.
The reason for deforestation are for the building factories, house and road, woods and fuel, and agriculture. This action is very serious because of the consequences from this action will give a big impact to our ecosystem. Let us see how many consequences from this deforestation, such as pollution, soil erosion, temperature rise, floods, and drought.
Okay, next I will explain about non-engineering solution for the life of land.
What can we do for the solution? First, we can reduce. We simplify waste a lot of paper. Think before you print. Secondly, reuse. We can reuse paper for the scratch pad, textbook, and anymore. And lastly, recycle. We can recycle and use paper to make news and buy and reuse this recycled product. If everyone reuse, reduce and recycle, together we can save paper to save the forest and in the end to save ourselves.
Next, for my part, I will explain the engineering solution of the life on land. So, how technology can help us through deforestation? The engineering solution have been in your pocket in the whole time. This is the rainforest connection, a technology built from recycled smartphone that fight climate change and mass extinction at the source by protecting the forest from being destroyed. It's an amazingly simple system. It can take an old smartphone retrofitted with solar panel and hide in the tree canopy, where it listens constantly from the sun profile of illegal logging. This moment that chainsaw is used in the forest, that noise is picked up by the device and using the standard GSM cell phone network and alert itself to local partners who can intervene and help the logging on the spot. Lastly, for the summary part, urgent action must be taken to reduce the loss of natural habitats and biodiversity, which are part of our common heritage. The State of the World's Forest 2020 highlights that since 1990, some 420 million hectares of trees have disappeared in favor of agriculture and other land uses. And investing in land restoration is critical for improving livelihood, reducing vulnerabilities, and reducing risk for the economy, the health, of our planet also plays an important role in the emergence of zoonotic disease that are transmissible between animals and humans. As we continue to encroach on fragile ecosystem, we bring human into ever greater contact with wildlife, enabling pathogen in wildlife to spill over to livestock and humans, and increasing the risk of disease emergence and amplification. That's all. Thank you.